Hello students, this is Vinita Singh from St. Xavier School Nalia. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying fit at your home. Today we are going to discuss question answer of 3 questions. Chapter number 1 of standard 7th. Before going to question answer, let us discuss some word meanings. Begin means to originate or to start something. Messenger means the person who carries the messages. Wise means learned or erudite or educated person. Prepare means to put something in the readiness. Timetable means a schedule showing the times of different works. Strictly means in a strict manner. Notice, to observe. Seemed, to appear or like to be. Necessary, essential. Urgent means requiring immediate action. Worship means paying homage to God. Satisfied means to fulfill the desires. Reward means to recompense or to requite for the service or giving any reward. Instant means a substitute. Seek, to go in search. Advice, an opinion or recommendation. Widely means by or among the large number of persons. Wood means forest. Greeted means to address with a form of salutation. Spade means a tool for the digging. Stretching means to draw out or to extend. Pressed means steadily applying weight or a force. Fainted means to lose the consciousness. Removed, to separate. Handkerchief or hanky, a small piece used for the wiping. Strange means unusual. Forgive means to excuse. Swear means to take an oath or taken a pledge. Revenge means to take an vengeance or taking a revenge of something. Seized, to take by an force. Came upon, meeting accidentally. Escaped means to slip or to get away. Faithful, true to one's word. Sowing, to plant the seed. Petite means having sympathy. Act, anything done or being done or to be done. Particular, related to a single or specific person or thing. Purpose means an intended or desired result. Let us move to our question answer. This is our comprehension check first question answer. Why did the king want to know? Answer to the 3 questions. Answer is, the king wanted to know the answer of his 3 questions because he wanted to be a successful ruler. Question number 2. Messenger was sent throughout the kingdom. Options: to fetch the wise men. Second option, to find answer to the questions, or to look for the wise hermit, or to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. So the answer is to find answer to the question. Comprehension check second questions. Complete the following sentence by adding the appropriate part of the sentence given in the box. Many wise men answering the king questions, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men to help the king act to the right time. Someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable or follow it strictly. The king requested the hermit to answer the 3 questions. Fifth one, the king washed and dressed the bearded man, but the bleeding would not stop. Working with the language, why was the king advised to go to the magician? So answer is, some of the wise men thought that in order to decide right time for doing something, one must look into the future, and only magicians were able to do that. So they advised the king to go to the magicians. Question number 2. In answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be the important to the king? Answer is, in answer to the second question, some people suggested to seek advice of counselors, the priest, or doctor, or soldiers. Third question, what suggestions were made in answer to the third question? Answer is, For the third question, some people said science was the most important business, while there were others who believed it was fighting, and then there were those who believed religious worship should take the first place. Question number 4, did the wise men win the reward? If not, why not? Answer, no. The wise men did not win the reward because their answers were so different from each other and king was not satisfied with their answers. Question number 5, how did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? Answer is, the king washed the wound and covered the wound of the man with his handkerchief and kept on dressing it until the bleeding stopped completely. The king also offered the wounded man water to drink. The hermit helped the king to bring the wounded man inside his hut and allowed the man to spend his night in the hut. Next question is, who was a bearded man? Answer is, the bearded man was an enemy of the king. He wanted to take revenge of his brother's death by killing the king and taking away all his property. Next, why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? Answer is, the bearded man asked for the king's forgiveness because he wanted to kill the king, but the king has saved his life. He was grateful to the king now. Question number 7. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? Answer is, the king showed his forgiveness by promising the man that he will send his doctor and servants to look after him and also promised to return him all his property. Question number 8. What were the hermit's answer to the 3 questions? Write each answer separately and which answer do you like the most and why? Answer is, the most important time, the hermit said, is our present because it is the only moment when we have the power to act. The most important person at a moment is we ourselves because the future is unknown and we don't know whether we will meet anyone in the future or not. So we should listen to ourselves. The most important business is to be kind and good to others because we have seen sent in this world to serve this noble cause. I like the third answer the most because helping someone in need is like serving God. It makes us a good person and brings a sense of satisfaction and contentment. Match the columns by getting their meanings. I write it the direct solution here. Wounded means severely injured. Awoke means got up from sleep. Forgive means pardon. Faithful means loyal. Piety means feel sorry for. Beds means small patches of ground for plant. Return means give back. After this, filling the blanks. And here some words are given in the bracket. You just have to fill the forms of verbs, forms of there in these brackets. Okay, in these blanks. So first one is, the judge said that only fresh evidence would make him change his judgment. I did not notice any series of difference opinion among the debaters, although they differed from one another over small point. Third one, it's fairly simple question to answer, but will accept my answer as final. Fourth, it is not necessary that necessity should always be the mother of invention. Hermits are wise men. How they acquire their wisdom, no one can tell. The committee has decided to make Jagdish captain of the team. The decision is likely to please everyone. Asking for forgiveness is as noble as willingness to forgive. I cover all the question answers of your this chapter. This is your home assignment. You just have to write the stories. You have to imagine that you are a king and you narrate the whole incident of the meeting to the hermit. You can begin like this. The wise man answered my questions, but I was not satisfied with their answers. One day, I decided to go and meet the hermit. Afterwards, you have to narrate the story. Okay. And the question number 2, in question number 1, you have to imagine that you are a king. And in the question number 2, you imagine that you are a hermit. And you can begin your story like that. One day I was digging in my garden. A man in ordinary clothes came to see me. I know it was a king. And like that, you have to complete this story also. Okay, the 2 story you all have to be write in your home as an home assignment. Thank you so much.